Okay, this is my little fan that I put in my garage, so I can have that. And then I have a little plug-in device up there. You plug it up, turn on. Got the fan going. All my lights in here work. Garage is kind of a mess right now, but out here working and stuff. Next thing I got to do is got to wire this up for the generator so I can have 110 volts off of it. And then I've got a little cheapy Harbor Freight inverter over there, so that's kind of good. Runs my little chainsaw sharpener, Harbor Freight chainsaw sharpener. I got that all done. So that's got power to it. So I'm getting there, slowly but surely. You know, I just got to clean up the mess and then get everything situated. That's my Coleman Air charge controller right there. So it's doing real good. Check the batteries, and they're good down there, because I got two batteries, two 12-volt batteries down underneath that box down there. So getting that all done, getting taken care of. We'll get that wired up, and then eventually I'll be able to clean out this place and